Hey guys, Perplexed here. The obsession is real. Like, for real, real. Alright, so let me just say it's 4:20 in the morning. This won't be a long video. It's going to be short and sweet. I was given some information tonight that kind of took me by surprise. And it really made me realize the shady bitches that I have to deal with. So my disclaimer on this video is that I will not deal with any of this. These people can do whatever the fuck they want. I don't care. But don't lie about me. And there's a certain somebody who has 3 numbers in her name and 3 letters put together, who's up 24/7. She's going around saying that she has or heard recorded calls of me and Whiskey. Really? Because unless he recorded a bitch, there are none. And I certainly never admitted to it. So do me a favor, shut your fucking mouth and stop your lies. Because everybody always says how you don't lie. Yeah, you do. Really, really bad. I don't know why everybody's so obsessed with me. I truly don't. But it's gotten to be scary and kind of a sickness. It really is scary. And I think you guys need help. Like, seriously need help. I'm not that special. I'm really not. But the obsession is real. I mean, if there's anything that's real, it's your obsession. Like, all of you. For real. And you want to, like, I'll be the one calling the police because I think I'll need, like, a restraining order against a lot of you because that's the point it's at. Like, for real. Like, it really is. I'm not joking either. I'm literally about to get a restraining order. The other thing is, too, is that I have been told by a certain somebody that there's a bunch of recorded calls that she has that I took. It doesn't take rocket science to figure out that if I recorded calls, you wouldn't have them. Nobody records calls and hands them out. It doesn't make sense. So it leads me to believe that one of the shady bitches that are now on the other side recorded calls. I'm pretty sure I know who it was. But that they recorded calls and then they think they're going to blame me for it. Nobody's that stupid. I mean, maybe some of the people are that stupid, but yeah, nobody's going to be that stupid. Nobody with any brains is going to be that stupid to think that you would have recorded calls that I did. That's the dumbest thing I ever heard, honestly. I mean, like, seriously. But you keep going with that story because that's how people are going to buy it, then you go with it. But it's literally cringeworthy that anyone would believe that someone records calls and just hands them out to people. Give me a fucking break. But whatever. But I just want to let you guys know, if this obsession doesn't stop, like Diane sent a cease and desist about her name and stuff to MFW. Yeah, I'm seriously at the point of a restraining order. Like, cease and desist and restraining order. Because enough is enough. And you guys really, really, really need to find new details, new content. I'm not a scammer. I'm not robbing anybody. I'm not burning anybody. And the fact that I constantly have to defend myself against a bunch of worthless scammers is sad. Like, truly sad. So do me a favor and move on with your life before this does get legal, because I don't think there's a choice left. I honestly and truly don't. I think it's at that point that I need to get restraining orders and cease and desist letters of my name and everything else, because that's where we're at. And to some of you that hold real jobs, I don't think your jobs and your employees, you know, because I know where everyone works and stuff, I don't think your jobs want to see restraining orders going to all of them for you. So just saying, like, keep that in mind too. So that's all I got to say. Don't ever mistake silence for weakness. And that's it. Have a great night. Peace.